We were approached 2 weeks ago by Medcon, who's Australia's only manufacturer of surgical masks, to replicate 3 30-year-old machines, copy them, put them into production and then deliver them as quickly as possible so they could expand their mask manufacturing. I think the reason Foodmach was given this opportunity is that we're a fully integrated manufacturer, which is quite unique in Australian advanced manufacturing these days.
We're working off some photos and videos of the machine. We had no idea how many parts it had in it. We'd never built the machines before, so the unknown quantity was enormous.
We're replicating an old design. We're having to modernise it to current control standards, safety standards. The original designs have been lost. The Australian Defence Force have modelled the parts and provided those to us. And we're fortunate to have access to one of the original machine builders that worked on the equipment 30 years ago. And obviously we've got access to Medcon's operators as well. So given the complexity of the equipment that we have to copy and the very, very short timeline, the fact that we've got control over pretty much all of our supply chain allows us to have a high degree of confidence of executing the project as quickly as possible.
This project's good for Echuca as a whole. We're extremely proud to be involved in a regional company like Foodmach helping another regional company like Medcon help solve a global problem. So we're delighted to be involved and we want to see a successful outcome that's going to be good for the business, good for our employees and good for the country and good for the world.